Hello everyone, this is Carol, and welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In previous videos, we have learned a lot of text effects, and today we are going to show you how to create a text animation using a hand draw effect. You can follow along with the tutorial and create your own unique effect. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we open VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. If you don't have the software, you can free download it using the link in the description box down below. Then, we click here to create a new text layer and delete all the text, because we need a transparent layer on the timeline for taking screenshots. Next, we will modify the background color to white. And create a white screenshot. Then, we change the background color to black. Then, we will go back to a text and input the text we need. Here, it is important to know that it is recommended to choose letters with clear vertical lines, such as N, I, and M. And select the sans serif font. This will make the effect look better. Next, we adjust the size and position of the text. And don't forget to remove the shadow. After that, we click here and save another screenshot. Then, we import both screenshots into VideoProc Vlogger. Next, we click here to create several overlay tracks. We place the text material on the topmost overlay track. Then, in the inspector, we choose the align by height. Next, we place a white screenshot on the overlay track below. Then click crop. Crop the image to above this width. Then in the inspector, we find opacity and adjust it to about 50. Then adjust the position of the white to partially cover like this. Then we click on motion. Click here to create a new keyframe. Restore the position of the display area. Then, create another keyframe at around 1 second. Changing the speed to speed down. Go back to the first keyframe. Move the display area down until the right side turns completely black. And click Apply. Let's play and see. Now, the brush has a downward growth effect. We change opacity back to 100. Then copy the white layer. Place it slightly farther back on the timeline. And move it to cover the area next to it. The following steps are the same. Continue copying and moving the position of the white. For wider areas, we can increase the white a bit to cover half of the area. For narrow area, we can narrow it down accordingly. Here I will quickly go through the steps. Well, if you're not confident about complete coverage, you can lower the opacity to observe and then slowly adjust the position. When we have covered all the text, click here to hide the text layer. Then export the video. Import the exported video back into VideoProc Vlogger. Next, we place a text layer on the main track and the video we just made on the overlay track. In the inspector, choose to align by height. Then scroll down to find blend mode and select multiply. Let's play and see. Well, the effect is pretty nice. If you feel there's a slight shadow of the text on the screen, select this piece of material, click on color, and slightly increase the contrast. Well, now the shadow is gone. You can also adjust the order of the generation according to your preference. Remember to try it out for yourself. If you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!